Hi guys, welcome to my fragrance channel. Today I would like to show you all of my collection with Art Al Zafaaran fragrances. Recently I did video about Lataafa perfume, so subscribe to my channel in order if you would be interested in Lataafa perfumes or if you need to buy one of them. So there I put descriptions for you. But first of all, I welcome all of you to my channel and thank you very much for being here together with me today. And I will show you few perfumes from Art Al Zafaaran. I like most of them, but some of them I don't. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 perfumes with one of them that I haven't opened yet because I'm still savoring my old perfumes, which I really like. Like in particular, that one would be Shams Al EMARAT KHUSUSI Red Oud. There are 2 different versions of Art Al Zafaaran perfumes, and this one is basically red oud. I was confused what's the difference, but then I figured out it's because this one has a red oud, guys. So Shams Al EMARAT KHUSUSI basically. And let me show you the name again, okay? Shams Al EMARAT KHUSUSI Red Oud. So right now we have this perfume. Is really beautiful. That's why it captures everyone's eyes, you know. And guess what, guys? I really like it. It's actually unisex, but more, it's definitely leaning towards feminine. And especially all these features like pompons, to me, it definitely leans towards feminine. It has a, you know, coffee note, and it has this type of a little bit spices that are poking through that are really, really nice, guys. It's as if, as I said, Lady Million would be done in a more better way, more type of unique way, you know. So it's much better. I really like this perfume. I find it quite versatile, you know, because it has this vanilla. It's sweet as well, versatile, interesting, and feminine, and really kind of, if you are not sure what to buy, and if you like let's say gourmand sweet perfumes, you know, go with that one. You will not be missing out, especially for the price and the beauty of this Art Al Zafaaran perfume. So I will put it back right now, and we will basically speak about this this particular one. So basically it's going to be Dirham Gold, guys, this particular perfume. And this one, I think it's unisex, but it's more like for man. This is basically all about money. Even the name dirham means money. So it's kind of, probably if you want to smell rich or something, you know, go with that one. To me, this particular perfume is kind of fresh perfume, more westernized perfume, and it's similar to this Azara Wanted, you know, Azara Wanted perfume, and it's fresh, but more fresh version than Azara Wanted, and it's kind of nice, you know. It's really nice perfume, I would say, for man. Nothing too special there. I'm not sure if you would get compliments with that one, but there are a lot of reviews about this, especially on Amazon, and for that reason I decided just to try it. I don't think it's super unique, this perfume, but it's definitely fresh, that's for sure. So if you like fresh perfumes, you know, you can try this on. Another perfume that I have right here is this one. It's another Dirham perfume. I actually opened it recently, and to be honest, I was a bit confused because this one, it didn't smell anything to me. Only after some time I realized that there is this light type of spicy smell, maybe a little bit of oud, you know, but it's so light that actually I'm not even sure if I would recommend you to buy this, guys, because it was very, very faint perfume. I need to figure it out, what is it all about, but so far I wouldn't recommend you guys. Another perfume that I have right here is Oud 24 Hours. I haven't opened it yet, but it's due for Black Orchid, you know, due for Black Orchid, guys, and I cannot wait to open this perfume. I would like to show you one beautiful perfume, guys, that I would recommend. So basically it's Dirham WARDI, and this is beautiful type of rose perfume that I was recommended by some of the subscribers, and I don't regret buying it because it was very cheap and it was very beautiful white florals perfume. Normally I don't like white florals, but this one I really liked because I felt the versatility in it. I felt that it smells expensive, you know. I heard that it also, they say, smells as a holiday too, because it's so fresh, you know, really, really fresh perfume. So really nice type of perfume. There is rose vanilla, you know, and really I can use it every day, guys, with this particular perfume. Recommend you guys to buy this one. Now we can talk about another perfume, guys. So I have right here Midnight Oud, and this perfume I'm struggling. I bought it because there were a lot of good reviews, you know, about this perfume, just the same like this one has a lot of good reviews. So, and that one too, and I thought, let me just try it on, you know, and I bought it on Amazon. But I slightly regret because I don't understand this perfume yet. I haven't worn a lot as well, so because I don't understand, so I don't reach for it a lot, but I need to wear it perhaps in order to understand. Look at this bottle. Maybe it's so popular because of this bottle, I'm not entirely sure, but it's basically Midnight Oud by Zafaaran, and it's a dupe for like Amouage something there, like from Amouage, you know, and it's very similar to that Amouage perfume there, like for man. Is it Amouage Interlude or something? I don't know what, but to me, I really like the bottle, but the smell, not really. It's very type of spicy, you know. There's this coumarin there, like spices, some kind of spices that are kind of like really as if it would be some kind of kitchen, you know, like there, like, and I'm not sure like how to, like, actually there is a hole in this cap, which is great, you know, because you can spray it, and then this type of pickles, you know, this type of, as if it would be some kind of pickles mixed with coumarin, you know, and really not into this perfume yet, but some people say that it works much better in the cold weather, and perhaps to mix with some kind of sweeter perfumes that would do. Not sure if anybody would get compliments. It's not versatile. You wouldn't reach it very often. I don't know for what occasion would you reach it. Even to wear without any occasion is actually a little bit hard because it's not very pleasant, you know. You need to be very daring if you would like to use this particular perfume. So that would be my type of thoughts on these Ard Al Zafaaran fragrances. Do you guys have any other Ard Al Zafaaran perfume that perhaps I missed, you know? I have high hopes for this particular perfume. You know, I really have high hopes. I just need to open it. I really like this one so much, guys. And then I think these two are probably the best, you know, that I have right there so far. And this one is that type of simple freshman perfume, you know, maybe better than simple, but not overly there, like super nice. So that's all, guys. That will be my review, and I hope you're gonna have a beautiful day. I will come back to you soon. Bye bye, guys.